Hello! Today we're launching the third group buy through Autorama. I'm going to keep this really quick because if you've been a subscriber for more than a year, then you've already seen these and you know how they work. For those of you who already know how this goes, if you want, you can skip right to the top link in the description or the pinned comment if you want to just go ahead and get to the form where you put how many you'd like to commit to purchase. But for those that don't, a group buy is very similar to mass drop, in which multiple people commit to a purchase, and the more people that commit to a purchase, the lower the price goes. And on my channel, I arrange those with Autorama for lighting equipment. So this group buy is centered around the original AD200 or Flashpoint Evolv 200. To this day, I still think the AD200 is the most versatile piece of flash equipment that has ever been made, simply because you have both the Fresnel head and the bare bulb, and now we've got the round head and the ADB2 and different accessories. You can put it in bones, it fits anything. It's awesome for a ton of photographers. It is probably the most popular flash. Anybody who's doing flash photography on the go really likes the AD200. So I worked with Autorama to create 3 different kits surrounding the AD200 that would be suitable to different types of photographers. The first kit is designed for people doing outdoor portraits, specifically people who are working in bright lighting conditions. Kit 1 is 2 Flashpoint Evolv 200s, 1 Flashpoint Evolv twin head adapter, which is also known as the Godox AD200. This accessory allows you to take the 2 bare bulbs from the 2 Evolv 200s and the 2 Evolv 200 power packs and put them all in a single Bowens mount head, so you effectively have a 400 watt flash. This kit also includes a 13-foot Flashpoint light stand, and finally for a modifier, it includes the 36-inch Glow Easy Lock Beauty Dish style softbox. To describe it quickly, it's a 36-inch softbox that has an umbrella mechanism for easy opening. Normally, all that gear sold separately would be $792. With a kit savings applied, it is $752. And then we start the steep discounts if we get a certain number of purchases. So if over 100 people commit to that kit, we get 15% off for a total of $673. If over 250 people commit, we get 20% off for a total of $633. And if over 500 people commit, then the price goes down 25% down to $594. The second kit that you can choose is a single Evolv 200, an S bracket for holding that 200, a 9-foot light stand, and my personal favorite 28-inch deep Paris softbox. Standard pricing on this would be $425. The 5% discount is $403. If 100 people commit, it's $361. If 250 people commit, it's $339. And if over 500 people commit, it's $318. The third and final kit is more designed for someone who's going to be using off-camera flash for bouncing or perhaps some type of accent light. And this one is going to include more of the compact modifiers rather than a large softbox. In this kit is a single Evolv 200. It also includes the round head, which is the third flash head style available for the Evolv 200, which is also compatible with the AKR1 modifier kit, a set of small compact magnetic modifiers for that round head, and finally a 7-foot light stand. Normal individual pricing on this kit would be $464, but with a 5% kit savings, it's $440. If 100 people commit, it's $395. If 250 people or more commit, it's $371. And if over 500 people sign up for this group buy, then it's $348. Now, if you didn't see how the previous one went, then you probably are seeing like, oh my gosh, 500 people had to buy. We had over 1,000 people purchase a single kit when we first did this one. Actually, both times that we've run the group buy, we have hit the maximum savings on all 3 kits that were available. So if the previous instances are any indicator, then these typically go over quite well. But if you're trying to opt in and ensure that you get the maximum savings, then I encourage you to share this in any group of photographers that may also be interested in taking part in this group buy. So if you'd like to take part of this, all you have to do is navigate to the link in the description below, or it's also going to be the pinned comment. Clicking that link will take you to the Google Doc where you fill out your email, which is absolutely necessary for us to send you the information to complete your order, which is all through Autorama's website. And it's also where you select the kit or kits that you would like to purchase. Once we get to the fulfillment stage, we simply use your email to communicate your custom code for completing your purchase. If you're looking to keep track of how many people are committed to each kit, I will keep a running tally in the pinned comment, and I'll probably be updating the description, and I'll do that at least daily. And we have 2 weeks. So from the day that this video launched, we have 2 weeks to complete this, and at that point, we will see what type of discount level we have. You may see Francisco, he's going to be doing this as well, just so you know we are working towards the same goal. The links in our videos take you to the same place, so we're not working against each other, we're working together on this, so anybody who commits via his videos counts towards our goal as well. Alright, if you have any questions, go ahead and use the comments below. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of my videos, and until next time, keep on shooting.